This is going to be something like a no-tie tie-dye. We'll just use some rubber bands a little bit. This is a 100% cotton t-shirt, but it has not been soaked in soda ash. It has been run under water and then thrown in the washing machine just to spin it out so that it's just damp at this point. So all we're going to do is, I was trying to figure out which way to go with this. I think I'm going to pull it like this. And literally like fluff it together kind of thing. And then we'll start putting some rubber bands on this. I am flattening it because I think I'm going to dye it on edge. Mainly because I have another idea that I'm working on, and this is a good test for that theory. So I'm going to try to make it roundish. Not that it really matters, right? And just put one band around this, just to make sure it doesn't unfurl itself or something weird if one of the other rubber bands breaks, because those are stretched pretty tight. Alright, so I'm going to follow the rubber bands because I think I did a pretty good job of, at least on that side, keeping track of the lines. So I'm going to do 6 colors, so we only need 2 more lines, right? And I'm really concerned about the edges since that's what I need to be able to see. I'm going to flatten this side again because I need something like a flat surface because I'm going to be dyeing on edge. So I don't want it slipping off and leaving weird marks with the dye. Okay, I think that'll work. Off to dye. Alright, I'm going to be using fire red, deep orange, lemon yellow, what is it, green MXEG, and this is from Custom Colors, cerulean blue, and deep purple, and everything except for the green is from Dharma. Alright, I'm just going to apply a bit of color basically like right there. Put 1 or 2 ice cubes, probably 1, wait for it to melt completely, and then we'll rotate and do all 6 colors. I'm probably going to start with yellow to give it a fighting chance to actually remain yellow, and I'll probably do quite a bit more yellow than any of the other colors. We'll let it melt through. Alright, yellow is melted through, so let's move this to the next. That's going to be hard to see. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it's there. Let's move this over here. Time to rotate it again. Alright, that one sat overnight, a little longer than I had planned. Let's go ahead and rotate that, and we'll go with the purple. Alright, that's melted through, so let's go on to red. Alright, we're going to move this for the last time. I can't find the other orange that I was using, or going to use, so I'm going to use this Custom Colors Orange MX2R. All the sides have been done. I've made up a saturated soda ash solution, about 2 tablespoons in a container. It's at about 110, 120 degrees, and I'm just going to pour it over. I'll let that sit for 15-20 minutes and then do it again. I might end up doing a total of about 3 times. I did 3 rounds of the soda ash water, and with the third one being into a container so that it could sit for about an hour. So it should be good to go for the temperature of the water, and we'll go ahead and wash this out. Let's take a look. Okay, the front and the back are going to be different on this since it was, I wouldn't say tied, but we'll say tied because of the way it was tied. So there's the front, there's the back. Go ahead and wash that out and see what it looks like. Here are the results. You know me, I don't care for this and this so much, but I don't think you could get more random with the results. And it was an experiment to see if something else I was going to try to do would work, and I think it actually will. So there'll be at least one more video in this same kind of concept. So what are your thoughts? Let me know down below. Subscribe and like if you like the video. And until next time, thanks for watching.